Talk to me. Are these dark, twisted rumors true? How could I have trusted you? All you do is tell me lies. So let's find out the truth tonight.
Moment of truth for the both of us. Apocalypse could be the end of us. I love fire, hate shaking off the dust. Baby, what I'm hearing, oh, ain't really good for us still, yeah. Bodies of beauty, love like a beast. Tastes like the emperor's imperial feast. Hearts growing colder, rumors getting closer. Did you really do this? Thought I told ya. Play with my heart, I'm playing with your head. I'm crazy, that's what the other one said. It's the moment of truth and the light's on you. Tell me if the dark, twisted thing is true. Yes, I figured that, so pack up your clothes, give me my keys back, and you can have your phone. Your love has turned my heart into a haunted house. V is for vendetta, and I'm taking love out. You think you are a monster? You don't know a monster until you see an innocent man become a monster. Nothing you can give can replace the adrenaline. Having his revenge is ultimate redemption.
Girl, you've gone too far. I can't even stay with you no more. Cause you broke my heart, you dark, you twisted. Girl, get out my car. They can't see you here with me no more. Cause you went too far, you dark, you twisted. Girl, you dark, girl, you twisted.
Now we're talking business, tell me when you did this. 6 months creeping around is what I'm hearing. This is the person that we argued about. You said it was nothing, so I thought we worked it out. Look who's the liar, your heart's on fire. But not before the stories are told, cause I desire the truth. That's all I really asked of you. All I really ever cared about was taking care of you. Now it's a dance with the wolves, it's a vampire feast. You unleash the dragon, so plan your retreat. It's a full moon out, so tonight you're gonna witness return of Jafar, return of the beast. I booked a trip to Paris, a summer retreat. Will you too, because I'm not taking you with me. You settle for the good instead of waiting for the greatness. Apocalypse is over, your soul's taken. You think you are a monster? You don't know a monster until you see an innocent man become a monster. Nothing you can give can replace the adrenaline. Having his revenge is ultimate redemption.
Girl, you've gone too far. I can't even stay with you no more. Cause you broke my heart, you dark, you twisted. Girl, get out my car. They can't see you here with me no more. Cause you went too far, you dark, you twisted. Girl, you've gone too far. I can't even stay with you no more. Cause you broke my heart, you dark, you twisted. Girl, get out my car. They can't see you here with me no more. Cause you went too far, you dark, you twisted. Girl, you dark, girl, you twisted. Tonight, I'm trying not to read your mind. stay the night. Baby, since we're here, let me rub your shoulders. Oh, touch my body, that's your song. Cause you smiled when you came on. I can do that if you want. Or make my house yours. Hear your thoughts getting crazy. I'm your man, my baby. So what are we gonna do? It's all on you, baby. Tonight, it's just me and you tonight. I've been wanting to read your mind. I've been wanting you to read my mind. One thing that we're thinking about. Girl, these thoughts are getting loud. Pulling your body close to mine. I'm hearing your body thinking loud, thinking loud. More waiting, louder. Baby, I'm glad I saw you. I am Jasper, saw you. I'm gonna make you feel at home. Chocolate and roses, chocolate and roses.